In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter CMS content in Wix. If you want your dynamic page to display only specific content from your Wix CMS collection, adding a filter is a simple and effective way to do it. This is especially useful when you want to control which items appear based on things like category, price, tags, or other collection fields. In this walkthrough, I will show you exactly where to find the filter settings and how to configure them properly, so your dynamic page shows the right content. To begin, open your dynamic page in the Wix editor. Make sure you are working on the page connected to your CMS content, since the filter will be applied through that page's dataset. Once you are there, go to the left side panel and click CMS. This will open the content management area where your collections and connected page elements are managed. Next, select Manage Page Connections. This is where you can review how the page is linked to your dataset. Find the dataset connected to your dynamic page, then click the More Actions icon, shown as 3 dots. Next to that dataset, from the menu that appears, choose Dataset Settings. This opens the panel where you can control how the dataset behaves, including what content it pulls in. In the Dataset Settings, look for the Filter section. Under that section, click Add Filter. This is where you define the rules that decide which CMS items should appear on the page. Now it's time to set your criteria. First, choose the field. This means selecting the CMS column you want to filter by, such as a category field, a price field, or any other relevant property in your collection. After that, choose the condition. This tells Wix how to compare the field with your value. For example, you might choose a condition like is, contains, or greater than, depending on the type of data and the result you want. Then enter the value. This is the specific value Wix should use for the filter. It could be a word, a number, or in some cases, something connected from another dataset. Be careful here, because the filter only works properly if the value matches the field type and format used in your CMS collection. Once everything looks correct, click Add Filter to save it. After that, publish your changes so the updated filtering rule goes live on your site. Publishing is important because without it, visitors won't see the new filtered results. That's it. Thanks for watching.